Welcome to my TED Talk on why the Tarantella is terrible. The first thing that you're gonna need is your little tambourine dude. And the first step that you're gonna do is the spins with the kickball chain. Then you're gonna do the fancy little jazzy step spinny thing. Next is the sassy spinny touchy thing. Next, you're gonna do a spin that is very much not at all a natural ballet spin, but because it's Italy, I guess it works. And then you're gonna do tappy touchies after it. So it'll go a little something like. From there, you're gonna do the weirdest kiki, spinny, jumpy, leapy, kiki thing. Slow down, it looks a little like this. Then you do it on the other foot and it'll look a little something like this. Alright, and the next thing that you do is you piece it all together. There you go. That's how you do an Italian folk dance that makes no sense whatsoever. Okay, 6 minutes.